Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Spykar. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the latest software update, which is a stable one, which is Miui 12.5.4 version in the Poco X3 Pro device. Let's see friends, what is the size of the update and what are the features it did include and which month security patch update we did receive. That is what I'm going to exactly discuss in this video, and how much time it actually takes to install this update as well, because this is the most important thing, because it's kind of different from one user to other user. Just to give an idea of how much time it actually takes, that is the reason I thought of including this one as well. As you can see friends, right now as soon as you open the settings, you can get the message saying update option as well. Let me go to the settings, and right now current version, which is of 12.5.3 update, which I'm running right now at this moment, and security patch which I'm trying to use is June. As you can see exactly security patch. And let's see in the latest update what is the size is of close to 683 MB is the size. As you can see exactly friends, not bad. And the version is of 12.5.4. as you can see clearly 12.5.4, that's good. And we got updated to the latest Android security patch, which is August. As you can see friends, August month as well. That's kind of good thing to know. And increased system security as well. That is what they did mention during this time of update. And there is no news about this MIUI 12.5 enhanced update yet. Let's see, maybe in the next update we might get that kind of MIUI 12.5 enhanced update in the Poco X3 Pro device. That is what I'm expecting, because at this moment only few devices got shortlisted for this kind of testing in MIUI 12.5. So in that case, the MI Linux was one of the device which I did have, and I did see a lot of improvement after using the MIUI 12.5 enhanced update. So hopefully very soon, maybe in the next update, we might receive the Poco X3 Pro as well. But right now, as you can see that it's downloading at this moment clearly. And after downloading, when it starts installing and updating, then I'll try to click the stopwatch. So from then it counts what is the actual time it actually takes, because the downloading speed can be different from one user to other user depending upon the internet connectivity as well. That's the reason I did not include at this moment. So let's see how much time it actually takes, and let me know in the comment section below friends what are other videos you want me to do on the Poco X3 Pro after the recent update. That's what I'm going to exactly look at the comments. So please try to comment. Definitely try to do those videos on this device as soon as possible. So it's kind of annoying because it says only Android security patch, but the size is of close to 683 MB. It's kind of huge size, I would say friends, because other phones like Realme X1 Max, which has got less size, if you receive this kind of small updates, not only Realme, other phones, MI phones as well, but still that's a kind of one thing which I thought of just letting you know. Even the Poco F3 GT also received the update. You can see the size of the update is 295 MB only. As you can see, even this also got only a same kind of update only. It did receive Poco F3 GT, but still the size you can see only 295 MB. But in the Poco X3 Pro, I'm not sure why the size is 683 MB at this moment for same system security update patch. That's kind of different, but it's a huge difference. It should be kind of close to maybe 50 MB or 100 MB, but not double. So right now friends, after connecting the charger, let me try to see whether the message goes or not. Yes, the message connecting the charger and reboot. It's restarting friends. Let's see how much more time the Poco X3 Pro gonna take to completely install this latest update in this Poco X3 Pro device. And right now it's updating MIUI. Do not turn off your device. As you can see, please don't press any kind of power button in this case, please. So that will definitely cause another problems. Let's see how long my mobile phone gonna take to update. As you can see friends, exactly around 5 minutes of time, the phones started to reboot. You can see the logo coming, Poco. So try to be patient till this time. So 5 minutes of time right now, Poco's logo is coming, and sometimes this logo will stay on for a lot of time. Yes. So make sure to remember the time, exactly how much time it's staying. So don't ever click any kind of power button. So the reason why I'm making this video is because it's very important. You should know how much time it actually takes. So whether you can actually spend that time at this moment or not, that is the reason. And finally, it can be done. So in case if you are in an emergency situation to go outside, you should know how much time it actually takes to update. So to calculate whether you got sufficient amount of time or not, that is the reason. And this timing should be kind of really close to each other only friends for all the users. It should not be huge difference, I would say, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. So right now still it's staying in the MI logo only. 1 minute it took complete, still staying in the MIUI logo. Let's see how much more time it actually requires. I just want to show you exact time what is happening it's done. So 6 minutes and 10 seconds of time, the Poco X3 Pro device took completely to install the latest update in this device. That's perfect in this device. You can see, friends, that's good to see. And that's it, friends. Thank you for watching this video. I'll do another videos as well regarding the annual benchmark test and a couple of other videos testing on this phone as well. So stay tuned for those updates, friends, in case if you want to know. And this is a security update which got updated to the latest date, as you can see, August month as well. See you in the next video, friends. I'll stay tuned for more feedback. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.